Logan, do you think you can read this for me, please?
Yeah, sure. Let me see.
So it's there.
Want me to read it out loud?
You can if you want.
Nah, I'm good for now. I think I got it.
Okay. So, well, before you read it, it's basically about what happened the other night with Michael. So.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, cool. This looks really interesting.
Is it bad?
No, this is really good.
You're not judging me, are you?
No, I'm not judging you at all.
Okay, so what do you think?
I think this is fantastic.
Really?
Yeah, I think this is really good. No, I'm really being serious. I think this is actually really, really good.